Jim's Woodwork channel. Never thought I'd ever be doing anything like this. Just had so many people, really like a few hundred people ask me to do a channel. Never know, I don't have that many subscribers yet. But I have had a lot of people ask me, so why not? And what could I lose, you know? Cheap camera and just a little bit of my time. I love doing this anyway. I like to mess around and edit videos, as a lot of you guys know already. So, gonna give it a shot. Doesn't work out, I don't care. I love to do this. I'm not doing it for money, I'm doing it for fun. And God forbid I make a little bit of money, maybe I can, you know, stop messing around with chemicals all day. Live maybe a little longer. So, anyway, just not gonna make this too long. Just wanted to give a little intro. I really wanted to just check my camera and everything and see how that is recording. And so that's it. Just wanted to. Sorry, can't help it. I actually made this on my grandfather's shop, Smith, on the lathe. It was actually the third thing I went on that, and I did that with my. Actually, going on. Let me flip this around. I actually did that with my with those chisels. I got them razor sharp. I used a diamond stone on those. I'll get into a little bit more of that some other time. But I used that to sharpen, you know, my little block planes and everything. These stones, they suck because they start to wear out and they start to get like a belly in it. And I don't know, for old times maybe that was good, but for today it sucks. So, I'll be doing a lot of cool shit, you know, going over some, you know, different tools and what they do, and, you know, I'll probably go into the Shopsmith and all the things that can do. The only downside of it is that you have to set up, so you lose a lot of setup, you know, time setting up. But that will give you commercial grade cuts. I mean, you'll get beautiful cuts. Any part of that machine works amazing. You know, the joiner, I just wish I just had, it's, like I said, it's a pain in the ass to set everything up. But, you know, once again, it's really kind of good. Now you're sharpening the blades on that, so, and it's raining now, huh? Let's go see. Damn it. Well, you gotta mess with me when I'm filming, man. So, anyway, if you guys, oh yeah, I lost my tripod, quick release. Actually, I set the other camera back with that on it, so I don't fucking have it. Anyway, like I said, we're going to be working with some wooden gears, we're going to be working with pneumatics, we're going to be doing all kinds of cool shit, so if you like my channel, stick around and you can see what I can